Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best half-sheet pan is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any kitchen. From roasting vegetables to baking cookies, this workhorse can handle it all. Its generous size provides ample space for cooking, while its durable construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, a good half-sheet pan is an essential addition to your culinary arsenal. Number 5. Nordic Ware Naturals Half-Sheet Pan, 2-pack. This pan is made of pure aluminum. It provides superior heat conductivity, ensuring your baked goods brown evenly every time. You'll get consistent results with every use. These premium pans are built to last. They are designed to never rust, offering you long-lasting use in your kitchen. This ensures they will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. The encapsulated galvanized steel rims prevent warping. This feature preserves the shape and quality of the pan, even after numerous uses. It's a reliable choice for all your baking needs. With exterior dimensions of 17.9 by 12.9 by 1 inches and interior dimensions of 17.1 by 12.1 by 1 inches, it's perfect for various recipes. It offers the ideal size for a wide range of baking and roasting tasks. This product is made in America with domestic and imported materials. The aluminum bakeware is made to withstand a lifetime of use in your home kitchen. It's a quality piece you can rely on. What we like. This pan is made in the USA, ensuring quality and supporting local manufacturing. It's built to last a lifetime, so you won't have to worry about replacing it. The encapsulated steel rim prevents warping, maintaining its shape even with frequent use. If you are looking for a durable, reliable pan that delivers consistent results, you should consider this one. What people say. They are heavy-duty enough to keep from warping in a hot oven. They are the perfect size and weight, easy to clean and are super durable. These Nordic Ware baking sheets are of high quality. Not flimsy like typical baking sheets found in grocery stores. These are much heavier and are likely similar to the ones used in restaurants. Due to even heat distribution, food burns less and is less likely to stick to aluminum foil on these baking sheets. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine Baking Sheet Pan Set of 2. Introducing the Ultra Cuisine Baking Sheet Pan Set. These professional-grade pans are perfect for all your cooking needs, from roasting to baking. This set makes cooking easier. Cleaning up is a breeze with these pans. The 1.3-inch high steel reinforced rim prevents warping and spills. Hand washing is recommended to keep it in the best condition. Made from high-quality aluminum, this baking sheet is non-toxic and oven-safe. It's designed to be a reliable and safe option for all your baking needs. Each pan measures 17.8 by 12.9 by 1.3 inches on the outside and 17.08 by 12.4 by 1.3 inches on the inside. It's the perfect size for all your recipes. With every purchase, you get 2 half-sheet baking pans. So, if one is in use or needs cleaning, you always have another one ready to go. It is very convenient. This sheet pan is versatile and works for baking, roasting, and grilling. The possibilities are endless with this amazing product. What we like. This baking sheet is designed for easy cleanup, saving you time and effort. It's made from high-quality aluminum and is non-toxic, oven-safe, and food-safe. If you are looking for a convenient and versatile pan for all your baking and roasting needs, you should consider this one. What people say. They are sturdy and cookies don't stick. High rim and excellent cleanability. They are sturdy with smooth edges. Number 3. Saffron and Sage Aluminum Half-Sheet Baking Pan. Introducing the Saffron and Sage Baking Pan Set. This heavy-duty pan is rust and warp resistant, designed for all your baking needs. It's built to last and withstand high temperatures. Unlike flimsy pans, this one is made with thick aluminum and a reinforced steel rim. It won't twist or warp, ensuring even baking every time. The metal surface has no coatings, so it won't peel or rust. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time with family. This large baking sheet allows you to cook in bigger batches and prepare your weekly meals with ease. It's non-toxic, BPA-free, and food-safe. Natural aluminum ensures perfect baking results every time. Say goodbye to burnt bottoms and hello to perfectly baked goods. Feel like a pro when you bake your favorite treats. This versatile pan is perfect for roasting, broiling, grilling, and more. Make sheet pan dinners, nachos, or bake your favorite desserts. The possibilities are endless with this baking sheet. We believe every good thing begins at home. This pan helps you create lasting memories for your family. Happy baking! What we like. This pan is made with a thick aluminum gauge and a reinforced steel rim, ensuring it won't warp or rust. The natural aluminum provides excellent heat distribution for perfectly baked goods. If you like baking a variety of items and want consistent results, you should consider this one. What people say. Cookie sheet with cooling rack. It's the perfect size to cool 2 cakes, cookies or meat to set on to rest. It is functional and not too heavy, but you can tell it's made of quality materials. It bakes the cookies well. It is not flimsy but very sturdy. Big, shiny, and beautiful, and definitely commercial size. Great for cookies, chicken, bacon, etc. in your oven. Very sturdy and exactly what I was looking for. Number 2. Saffron and Sage Baking Pan and Cooling Rack Set. Tired of flimsy baking pans? This set is made with thick aluminum and a reinforced steel rim, so it can handle high temperatures without warping. It's built to last, ensuring perfect results every time. Unlike other pans, this one won't peel or rust because it has no coatings. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying delicious meals with your family. This set is designed for both convenience and durability. Prepare sheet pan dinners and weekly meal preps with ease. The non-toxic, BPA-free design makes it safe for all your baking needs. This set is easy to clean, making your life easier. The natural aluminum ensures even heat distribution, preventing burnt bottoms. Feel like a pro when baking your favorite treats. With this set, you'll achieve perfect results every time. Use it for roasting, broiling, grilling, and more. From grilled meats to sweet desserts, the possibilities are endless. This versatile set is perfect for any cooking technique. We believe every good thing begins at home. Celebrate your family by making those memories possible. Happy baking with this amazing set. What we like. This pan is made with a thick aluminum gauge and a reinforced steel rim, ensuring it won't warp or rust. It also comes with a cooling rack, adding extra versatility. If you are looking for a complete set for baking and cooling, you should consider this one. What people say. Cookie sheet with cooling rack. It's the perfect size to cool 2 cakes, cookies or meat to set on to rest. It is functional and not too heavy, but you can tell it's made of quality materials. It is shiny and very pretty. It bakes the cookies well. It is not flimsy but very sturdy. Big, shiny, and beautiful, and definitely commercial size. Great for cookies, chicken, bacon, etc. in your oven. Very sturdy and exactly what I was looking for. Number 1. Nordic Ware Naturals Bakers Half Sheet 3-Pack. This is a set of 3 half-sheet pans from Nordic Ware. They are made of natural aluminum, ensuring even baking and long-lasting durability. Crafted from pure aluminum, this bakeware will never rust. This ensures a lifetime of reliable performance in your kitchen. Thanks to the superior heat conductivity of aluminum, your baked goods will rise and bake evenly. The reinforced steel rim prevents warping, ensuring consistent results. The exterior dimensions are 17.88 by 12.88 by 1.06 inches, and the interior dimensions are 16.5 by 11.38 by 1 inches. It's the perfect size for all your baking needs. Cleanup is a breeze, simply hand wash these pans. They are proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and craftsmanship. This set includes 3 half-sheet pans, providing you with ample baking space. Get ready to enjoy perfectly baked treats every time. What we like. This pan is made of pure aluminum, ensuring even baking and long-lasting durability. The reinforced rim prevents warping. If you are looking for a set of pans to handle all your baking needs, you should consider this one. What people say. Perfect for all of my cookie baking. I do put the cookie mats on top. Baked evenly. I bought multiples for the holiday baking and that was a game changer. Love my pans. Still look brand new. Thicker, flatter and sturdier than any pans I've tried before. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.